I am Hamza Bin Sohail, an environmental engineer and GHG accounting expert, having over a decade of experience in oil and gas and manufacturing sectors. Welcome to the Carbon Matrix Academy. As the name of our channel indicates that we are very much focused on carbon emissions, but we will also cover the concepts of energy efficiency because 60% of the global GHG emissions are due to the inefficient use of energy. So we will cover the energy efficiency concepts in detail. Today the topic of our video is the difference between energy baseline, energy intensity and energy performance indicators. Many people are confused about the concept of energy baseline and they are unable to differentiate between the energy intensity and energy performance indicator. So we will cover today in this video in a very easy way about the difference between energy baseline, energy intensity and energy performance indicators. Firstly, we will talk about the concept of energy baseline. The energy baseline is a reference point from which we started to calculate our consumption of energy. You can understand this concept by the example if you are starting your journey of weight loss. So your existing weight will be your baseline. And that baseline will help you to see your performance over the time period. Now the second concept of our is energy intensity. Energy intensity is the amount of energy used per unit of production. Here in this example you can see during the first month we produced 10,000 of barrels of oil, and against the 10,000 barrels of oil production we used the 20,000 kilowatt hour of energy, and the ratio of energy consumption to oil production is the energy intensity, and the value of energy intensity here is 2. Now we will talk about the third most critical concept, that is energy performance indicator or EnPI. EnPI measures our performance against the baseline. The formula of energy performance indicator is current energy intensity minus baseline energy intensity over baseline energy intensity multiplied by 100. So here you can see during a month, in a month 6, the value of energy intensity is 1.50 kilowatt hour per barrel, and the value of energy baseline is 2 kilowatt hour per barrel. Here the value of energy performance indicator would come out minus 25%. The minus sign shows that you have improved a lot, your processes have become efficient, that is why your value is coming in minus. It means that you are using less energy as compared to the previous months. To sum up, we have learned about energy baseline, energy intensity and energy performance indicator concepts today. So if we can summarize this, that the starting point of the energy intensity would be the energy baseline, and the energy performance indicator would be the energy intensity minus energy baseline over energy baseline multiplied by 100. So subscribe to the channel Carbon Matrix Academy for more videos on sustainability and energy efficiency. Thank you very much.